Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the cylinder head bolts now because it doesn't look like the turbocharger actually snags anywhere. I mean, it seems like I ought to be able to lift the cylinder head off without interfering with the turbocharger. So, well, I could be wrong, I suppose. In which case, I'll have to do something. Wait, there's at least one thing which will snag, and this guy. Oh wait, but this is disconnected. So maybe not. I mean, it ought to lift off. Oh, hang on here. Maybe those were not the bolts they meant. Oh, I do have to remove these guys. How will the cylinder head come off? This makes no sense. Oh, I see. It's supposed to come off. It's not that it snags. So I do have to remove the turbocharger bolt. That's because the exhaust manifold lifts off with the cylinder head. So crap. So I do have to figure out how to remove that bolt. Hang on.